In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to text Google review requests from GoHighLevel. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to automatically send SMS messages that invite your customers to leave a review on your Google business profile, which can really boost your online reputation. Let's start inside your GoHighLevel account. Once you're logged in and you've selected the correct location, look over to the left-hand side menu and click on Marketing. This is where GoHighLevel keeps a lot of the tools related to outreach and visibility. Inside the marketing section, find and click on Social Planner. The Social Planner is typically used for scheduling posts, but it's also where your Google Business Profile, or GBP, connects into the system. If you haven't already connected your GBP, you'll want to do that here. Look for the option to connect or manage social accounts, then choose Google Business Profile and follow the prompts. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account and select the right business location so reviews are tied to the proper listing. Once your GBP is connected, go back to the left-hand menu and click on Reputation. This is the area dedicated to managing and improving your reviews across platforms. At the top of the Reputation section, look for the Settings tab and click on it. This is where you'll configure how review requests are sent. Inside Reputation Settings, find and click on SMS Requests. This section controls the text messages that will be sent to your customers, asking them to leave a review. You'll see a toggle to turn SMS review requests on. Go ahead and toggle that on so the feature is active for your account. Next, you can either create a brand new SMS template or edit an existing one. To start from scratch, click on the button that says Create New. If you already see a template you'd like to adjust, just click on that existing template to edit it instead. Both options bring you to a screen where you can customize the message content, timing, and any variables like the customer's name or a short link to your Google review page. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. GoHighLevel will guide you through naming your template, setting up the exact wording of the text, and confirming which review link is used. Once you save your changes, your SMS